Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect combination of casual with dressy in a blouse, you are going to love this one that I got from Timeson. Some things about the design that I really like are that first off, you can roll this up into 3/4 length sleeve. I really like that look a lot, and it has straps that keep the sleeves in place with a button. I also like the V neckline because the material folds over on itself to form that V. I feel that it is very flattering without showing too much. This shirt is so comfortable and soft. I love how flowy it is, and it is wrinkle resistant. I got the size medium. I would say this is true to size. I got the color dark red. I would describe this as like a really beautiful wine color. I think it's fabulous. And Timeson has a lot of different colors to choose from in this style, so you could really get one for each day of the week if you wanted. I think this is such a perfect, versatile piece to add to your wardrobe. It pairs with so many different colors and styles of clothing. I think you're gonna love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.